how does one deal when you are, as a married person, you have your parents who are saying to one side and you can't argue, but then you might find your wife is saying one thing, and at one point, one of the parties may be correct with the truth, and you go with the truth, then you become the boogeyman, or the bad man, and the other party's eyes. So how does one intelligently and according to Sharia navigate this situation?
I once called my sheikh as well. I said, Sheikh, I have this question. It's very important for me. I want you to answer this question for me. I was, okay, what is it? I asked him that question. He just said to me, siyasa, politics. You have to be very smart. And that's it. There's no answer, to be honest. There's really not an answer. You just have to be very smart. Make sure these two people do not collide. That's it. Inshallah.